Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Google Forms to Google Sheets. This is a super useful trick that can help you manage responses, analyze data, and keep everything organized in real time. Let's jump right in. Google Forms allows you to create surveys, quizzes, or questionnaires, and Google Sheets is a spreadsheet tool where you can store, analyze, and organize your data by linking Google Forms to Google Sheets. Every time someone fills out your form, their responses will automatically be added to your spreadsheet. All right, let's start by creating your Google form. Head over to forms.google.com. If you don't have a form yet, click on the blank form to create a new one. Let's say you are creating a simple survey or registration form. Add questions, clicking by plus icon. And you can choose from multiple questions type like short answer, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, etc. Make sure to customize your form with a title and description so people know what it's about. So let's add question like full name, then blood group, select short answer, then mobile number. Now here's the key part. Linking your form to a Google Sheet. To do this, once your form is ready, go to the Responses tab. At the top of your form, you will see a green sheets icon like that. Click on it and Google Forms will automatically create a new Google Sheet for you. Or you can also choose the select existing spreadsheet. Just select one from here and title for simple registration. This sheet will be linked to your form. So every new response will show up in real time. Then click create. If you already have a sheet, just select existing spreadsheet when prompted, but for now it's go with the new one. The first row will contain the titles of your questions, and each new responses will be added below it. This makes it easy to track all your form responses and analyze the data. Now let's talk about how to manage your responses in Google Sheet. You can use basic spreadsheet functions to filter, sort, or analyze the data. For example, you can sort the responses by a specific question or use formulas to calculate averages if you are working with numeric data. Additionally, you can use Google Sheets built-in features like conditional formatting to highlight specific responses or data points. Want to be notified every time someone submits a response? Google Sheets can do that too. In your linked Google Sheet, click on Tools in the menu and select Notification Settings. Here you can set up email notification to alert you whenever someone submits a new form response. This is great if you are running a live survey or need to stay on top of new data. Now share the link and copy the link and paste the link in another window. Also click publish and publish. Now copy the link from here and paste here. Test it. Enter your full name, blood group, mobile number, then click submit. Now go back to your sheet and it's added. And that's it. Now you know how to link Google Forms to Google Sheets, manage your data and set up notifications. This is an awesome tool for keeping your responses organized and easily accessible. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.